So these last weeks, I have been working on a little platformer game about this penguin, and it has been going pretty good. But as some of you might know, I'm also a YouTuber, so I gotta make content. And in this YouTube Shorts, I asked you for some ideas for my game, because I am not that creative. And here it is. Add a character selection and in-game currency to buy the characters. I'm not EA. Add guns. There will be a lot of guns in this game, so I will add a counter up in the corner. Add a Konami code into the game. I don't have a controller, so it's pretty hard to do. A gun again. I will add that to my counter. Add a boss at the end of each level. That one might be a bit tricky, but I will add bosses. Add a chance to find Sonic's... no, not a virus. I don't know. Timer and a score. That's a good idea. Add bunnies that can trade with. Maybe. Add 2 boxes with 2 different types. This actually sounds interesting. But I will probably make it in another game. I will think about it, alright? Maybe in the future. No. And these 2 are just bosses again. And I will add bosses. You can be certain about that. Yeah. Is double jump a feature yet? Yes, it is. You can sleep well knowing that. Fish. A spinning dude? No. Yawn if the penguin stays still. That's so cute. That's cute. Kanye West? No, I will be copyright striked. And I think you know that by the amount of smiling faces. Use weapons, that's guns. I'll add a gun counter. Boss fights. I will add boss fights. No, I will be copyright striked. Please, Slycat. Don't do me like this. Add an enemy. Oh, that's kind of cool. Speed boost. I will probably make a speed boost. That's a good idea. No, I will be copyright striked. I'm scared, mate. Gun. Yes. A pug wearing a... That's adorable. Everything that will be in GTA 6. That's guns. Guns again. 2 more guns. Bees. Yes, I think this person wants me to add bees. Slingshots. Maybe in another game. No, not a Sonic virus. I don't want to turn my game into a virus. An ostrich that wears boots. Maybe. Vietnamese spike pits. That's a good idea. I will probably add that in the future. Not in this video, but in the future. Alright. A Yas gun. That's a gun. It's an item. A gun again. You seem to love guns. And biomes. That's a good idea. Jump pad is also a really good idea. A hidden boss that is literally just a goldfish in a suit. That sounds fun. I will add that. A secret area. That's a good idea too. And a health bar. I need a health bar. 2 good ideas. Portals to dodge attacks. That could probably be pretty fun, but maybe in another game, alright? A dog and a cat. Seems possible, alright? Underground treasure. Sounds pretty fun, right? And I will have to stop here. There are some more suggestions, but I just don't have time. And I probably won't even have time to add all of these suggestions. So I probably better get to work, right? By making some guns. Boom. I'm not the best at pixel art, so you will have to be happy with this. And I will add 8 of these guns because you wanted me to. And I always follow the wishes of the people, right? And you won't see these guns because they are hidden behind the player character. But just know that when you're playing this game, the penguin is carrying 8 guns, alright? So you can really feel safe. So now it's time to start researching the goldfish. And yeah, that's how goldfish looks. So I drew my own goldfish with a suit, which looks pretty dapper, if you will ask me. But now I have to pause here for a bit. It will take some time to draw and code this, so I'll put on some upbeat music and make a montage, like your hipsters, like, yeah. Boom. Time to code. Yeah, I'll have to pause it right there. My coding mostly involved copying my old code, which I stole from some online website. But yeah, it at least works right now. Alright, that's everything that matters. Yeah, the goldfish is in the game. I added some more animation frames, and it looks not good, but it doesn't look that bad. The player will have to avoid the goldfish, which smashes into the ground. It doesn't need water because it's an alien goldfish, I guess. And as some of you might know, I absolutely stole this concept from the Hollow Knight boss Grossmother, which they made it much better. But hey, I didn't steal everything in my game. I actually made this title screen myself, so hey, props to me. And yeah, I will have to make all of your other ideas in a later video. While you wait for that video, you can go watch some of my other stuff. And subscribe. You don't have a choice. Press the bell. I can't force you, but yeah, you know. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.